I got another sweet one here at Chicago Motor Cars. This is actually a real numbers matching Z28 Rally Sport 302 4-speed rotisserie restoration car. Drives awesome. I'll take it for a ride and show you, but the condition is absolutely remarkable. I left it running just so you can hear it idling because it sounds awesome, but listen how quiet that puppy runs. Absolutely gorgeous condition. Drives arrow straight, arrow straight, but I'll try to get a peek at that reflection. I'm gonna see if I can, I know the sun is not the kindest to us today. Proper Rally Sport. Badging. Got the separate reverse lights on this one, but listen to that. Oh, that smells great too. If you know, you know. One thing I look at on these cars is how solid these doors close. I got the window up on the other side. We'll close that one. Watch this. That's a solid car. 302, let's take a look at it. This is absolutely gorgeous in here. Got the body blink there. Just squeaky clean. Got a car cover and a little stuff in here from the original owner, but it's gorgeous interior. The dice will come with the car. That was an option. Haha. I mean, even I'm gonna assume this is probably what a new Camaro smelled like back in the day. It was -10, but see the full gauge pack down here. My phone's not focusing. There we go. 4-speed manual with the first shifter. This thing just revs. Loves to rev. I do know the gentleman that has owned this car for a very long time, and just to show you, it's again all original. Body guys would know how these get cut up, but it is all original. Got some detail supplies in here. You can tell how well this has been loved over the years, but hell of a vehicle. Well, this is pretty cool. I'm able to drive a car that's 10 years older than me. 69 Camaro. Everybody absolutely loves these cars. It's one of the most sought after muscle cars, but this car was a rotisserie restoration. And I just really wanted to demonstrate more than anything that it drives great. But I'm in 4th gear, cruising solid. The pickup in 4th is excellent. Nice and just nice and smooth. When you feel the 302, you know, obviously the Z28's had a the small block with high compression. That's awesome. It does have power steering, power brakes. You know, back in the day, a lot of those were optional pieces. Everything works great. There's, you know, it's just a really nice car. Solid, no squeaks, no rattles. That's how nice this thing turns. A low 2nd gear, powers out nice. That's pretty awesome. Pretty much makes my day.